All right, welcome back, you guys. And my name is Nigel Schroeder, aka the Credit Sensei, aka Mister Don't Sleep on the Money. And today we're going to be talking about how you fill out a credit card application and specifically what you need to put on a credit card application in order to get approved. So, of course, we're going to go over here. You're going to put your full legal name. So, for instance, John Smith. You're going to make sure that you list your address, your actual address. So 123 Main Street. We're gonna say he lives in Rochester, New York. So now he's in Rochester, and his state is New York. Once again, you're just filling in your actual information. If your apartment number is 208, you're going to put 208. If you're in a building and it's a unit, you might put, C, whatever that is, as well as entering in your actual zip code. Now, here's where it's going to be the most important parts. Now, this is what's stopping a lot of you from getting high limit credit cards. Is for one, your social security number. You want to make sure you're entering the correct last four, as well as when it comes over here to these two parts. All right. I want you guys to pay attention to this. So it's total annual income. Include all income available to you if under age 21. Include only your own income. Income includes wages, retirement income, investments, rental properties, etc. Alimony, child support, or separate maintenance need not be revealed if you do not wish to rely upon it. So what does this mean? If you get alimony or child support, it is up to you to disclose that in your total annual income. Your choice. What am I going to tell you to do? Even if you're not getting it consistently, disclose it. Why not have more income being reported that's going to lower your debt to income ratio and increase the limits of the card you're going to get approved from? If you have any outside income, go ahead and report that income. All right. And now, most importantly, if you read right here, it says include all income available to you. If under 21, include only your own income. So what does this mean? If you're over the age of 21 and you're filling out a credit card application, right? You should never be putting, 15,000, 20,000, 30,000 in these boxes. If that's all you make. If that's all you're making less than $50,000, you want to include your household income, any income that's available to you. So if you make 15 and your significant other makes 15, go ahead and put 30 in this box because that's the income that's available to you. If you make 30 and your significant other makes 30, go ahead and put that 60,000 in this box. If you make 10, but your significant other makes 100,000, go ahead and put 110,000 in this box. Include your household income. If your credit issuer allows you to do this, please do so. Now here where it says non-taxable annual income. So if you have any income that is not taxable, that falls under any of these categories. So Social Security, child support, public assistance, disability, workers' comp, and military allowances. Make sure that you put that in this box here. If you're under 21, only include your personal income. However, once again, if you're over 21, and you have someone that lives with you and you have access to their non taxable income, or if you get non taxable income, make sure that you're adding that number over here. So, grandma lives with you and she pays you a certain amount of Social Security, and say grandma gives you 200 a month, go ahead and put that 2400 in this box. Okay? You want to disclose as much income as you possibly can without lying, as much income as you can verify in these boxes, because the more income that you can verify and the more income that you put in these boxes, the higher your limits will be. So once again, please, 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 when you're filling out credit card applications, make sure that you put your appropriate information so that you can be verified down to your apartment number if necessary. Make sure you have your zip in here. Make sure that your social security number is correct, as well as make sure that you have your proper annual income or any non-taxable income listed, so that way you will be able to get the highest limit possible, and then go ahead and of course click on that submit button, boom, and you'll be done. So with that being said, as always, thank you all for watching, subscribing, and being a part of the family.